Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a country in Western Europe and a neighbor to Belgium, Germany, and France. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Luxembourg. Luxembourg. Luck. Some. Berg. Luxembourg. Luxembourg is known for its historic castles, beautiful landscapes, and being one of the world's wealthiest countries. It's also a center of finance and a founding member of the European Union. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Luxembourg, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.